Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan. Welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. Let's make Tony Hinkman style tongs and these Z-jaw blade tong thingies. Okay, so thank you for joining me once again. I am overwhelmed by the response that I'm getting from you guys, and just a thank you to start with. You guys were really cool, and thank you so much for your support and your comments and subscribing and all the other things that you guys do. So in this video today we're going to make a pair of these. These are apparently Z tongs. The customer who wants to make some knives has asked for them, so basically the stock goes in here and then can run along level with the tongs. Yeah, they look pretty good. They came out pretty well. I'm going to go over in some detail about the process of why we do certain things and how to get certain results. I like these nice clean corners. Enjoy the video and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, I watched the video back, it's the next day by the way, and I watched the video back and realised that I hadn't talked about doing the same similar set down on the anvil. I'm going to try and do it now. I've never done it, and I'm not quite sure why I didn't do it in the last video, but again, I'm going to just show you this trick, and all I'm going to be talking about is holding the work over the edge of the anvil at a slight angle at the 45 degrees, forging it down. You get two results by doing it this way, similar to the other one, but you get a lot of increased pressure by doing this, and it also again defines that square edge for you if you do it correctly. So I even when doing tongs like this, I even say about doing coming in at that 45 here, driving it down, and then bringing the work up to get the rest of the work done. So I'm going to do that now. It's not going to look exactly the same as the tooling from before, but this is a way to do it. With this stock here, I'm going to get real close as well, hopefully with the camera. With this stock here, you're talking, you'll be wanting to put the set down in here, bring it over to this side of the anvil, put the set down in here, and then turn it over and use this side of the anvil and put the set down in like so. But I'm going to go through that in a lot of detail. Just to get the work nice and hot. Take her out of the fire. I'm going to find my first set down, which is on this side, which is this one here. See, I'm going to just place the centre dot on the edge of the anvil. Okay, and as I'm forging, I'm bringing that forward ever so slightly. I don't want to go too far because I've got this other centre dot to do. I'm going to find the other centre dot on the far side of the anvil. Now my anvil's got a bit of damage, so I'm having to come over ever so slightly, back onto this side, and here again. Okay, straighten this out, and then I'm going to go and find the other set down, which is this one here. Same thing yet again. Just like so. I'm just going to tidy this up. The only problem with this technique is it will move material a little bit odd in certain places. See how I've just moved that out like that? Use that triangle. and that's created because I'm holding the work at an angle. I'm just going to bring this over. Breaking this work out. Slightly, and again I'm just going to come over here, holding that just at an angle, pushing that material forward, and this bit here, pushing that material forwards. Just going to take the round side of the hammer, just working on the centre here, round side of my hammer. Cross peen would do this as well. Just turning the hammer in ever so slightly. Oh, a bit cold. Okay, just like so. Creates exactly the same piece. And then once I'm here, flipping the sides down, that's going to give you the same results. In fact, I'll do that now. Okay, so just re-hot that up. Out the temperature. I'm going to continue to use the round side of my hammer. Just drop that material down. Now let's come over this side. This side. Now flat side of my hammer. Perfect by any measure. It's not the... I think Tony Hinkman designed this style of tongs to be made using a power hammer. Alright then, so exactly the same thing but with these more traditional style tongs. Same thing, start with that side, drop the material down, and as you start to draw it down, lift it up till you become flat on the angle. Take the material down to about half its original thickness. So this is 3/4 or 20 mil. So that's 3/8 or 3/8 or 10 mil. Just like so. I'm going to come over, turn it away, and come over to this side of the anvil. Again, hold it up at a 45. Move that material where you want it. And then bring it down. Like so. I'm just going to line that up there, place my hammer on the back. This isn't quite hot enough. And again, bring that up at an angle, 45. Get the work done. Now, got the work done nicely. Just bring it flat. Oops, sorry, hit the camera there. And with this one, you want to come about 2/3 of the material. And they will bend up and stuff, especially if you're doing these very aggressive angles. But just forge that out. Okay, I'm just going to put that back in the fire and tidy that up a bit. one of the reasons I really like rounding hammers is because of the qualities that slightly off round ball can give you, and it really helps when developing hinge plates like this. Gives you the ability to get in places where you normally wouldn't be able to. Like if I want to get into here now, see, I can get that ball in there. Do a nice job of getting that out. Question now for the community at large. Why is it that bladesmiths are the most awkward of all of our community? It's like, I want Z-jaw tongs and diagonal peen hammers. Like, what's going on, guys? You want all the awkward stuff. Anyway, these are looking pretty good now. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, well that was loads of fun. These turned out great. I think I got a message from a guy called Matt Fowler on Instagram the other day, and he'd made some of the other style blade tongs. Hang on, just not so long ago. These blade tongs. These are 6 by 25, I think, and these are for 6 by 40. Considerably different type of tong. There's not very much to these. There's a lot of chunk in these. Nice hefty pair of tongs here. Yeah, they turned out lovely. I'm sure they're going to work really well. Hopefully Chris is going to enjoy them. He's also got a little diagonal peen hammer coming and some other stuff. Last time I'm going to mention this. I'm not going to mention this again for a while until it's too late. After the 1st of November, there will be no more ordering of tools. But if you want to get tools, they'll be up on an Etsy, and I'll be making them as and when I can. So if there's something in particular you wanted, like, I think I'm going to make a load of diagonal peen hammers at some point, because people are really interested in them. So there'll probably be some diagonal hammers. I don't know whether or not I'm going to make tongs. It takes me too long to make a good pair of tongs. So I don't make my money on them, basically. I lose money on making tongs, which is a bit of a pain in the bum. I wish it wasn't that way, but it is. People moan about tongs being too expensive. Something like this took about 3.5 hours, and if I'm charging now about £30 an hour, it should be like 90 quid for a pair of tongs. I couldn't charge that much money even if I wanted to. I don't think anyone would buy them, so something like these go for about £50, which is yeah, that's a compromise really. Once you get down to it, they do take a long time to do, and I try my best to get them looking really smart. The main bulk of the forging is done in no time, it's just the faffing around and stuff. So anyway, yeah, that's everything. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, remember ring that bell for notifications, because it will let you know every time I make a video. I try to make videos as often as possible, but I really try to get one out on Tuesday and Thursday. And I also try to get do like a live on Sunday. So thank you for joining me. I will leave a link up here to the other type of bladesmith tongs. I will also leave a link down here to another video where I make some tongs. This is my Patreon, great way to support the channel, and this down here is the subscribe button. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you later. Goodbye.